Hi everyone, welcome. I'm trying to be quiet. It's night. So in today's video, I wanted to do a two-part series of me actually reorganizing our kitchen. So welcome to our kitchen. I've done a series like this before, but I feel like there's a few things that I need to tweak and I need to improve on, and I'm gonna split these video up into two parts because I feel like I don't want them being super long. The first section is going to be me basically organizing above the cupboard, not above the cupboard, above the fridge and below the sink. And don't judge me because below that sink is a mess, and I'm sure in your house it's a mess also. So your girl is here to help you with some organization tips. That's the first one. I'm also going to lay out some kitchen rugs that I got with some double-sided tape so they don't move when the kids are playing around in here. So that's what we're going to do in this series. So it's spring, it's time for a little bit of spring cleaning and organizing, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So this is above the fridge. This is how it looks. It has a whole bunch of stuff up there, so we're gonna have to get up there somewhere. I'm gonna need a chair. Let me just start by taking this down. This I'm gonna leave up here because it's the wine that our real estate agent gave us when we first got the house, so that will stay for sure. And so this is all the junk basically that came off the fridge top, and also that. But I'm gonna go sort out all the items that I need for underneath the sink, above the fridge, and get my rugs, and I'll be right back. I got that teapot, which I'll show you guys later, but I got some double-sided tape for my liner. I find that these liners are really good, but they need double-sided tape to keep them down and stop moving, especially if an area that you use all the time or you're constantly taking stuff in and out. You need to have double-sided tape around the edges to keep it from moving. These are the rugs that I got. Super love. I love how they look. I haven't taken out the back, but I feel like it will go well with the bamboo cabinet that we have. This is a Lazy Susan. It was super affordable. I think this was $9.99. I actually got this to put our trash bags in, and I've learned a special way that I'm gonna fold my trash bags to keep them organized, so that's what's gonna go in there. I feel like I should cut off the handles, but I don't know yet. And then these are another item I got from Amazon. I feel like they go with the cabinets again. Look very luxe and nice in my opinion. And then these two plastic ones I've had for years. I got these from the dollar store, and I also got this one from the dollar store also. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet. I feel like these will look better on top of the fridge with the snacks and stuff because it goes with the cabinet, and I feel like I should put these underneath the sink because it goes well with this. So I'm just gonna start playing around with stuff and see how it looks and see if I wanted to keep if I want to keep it that way. So if you have somebody that loves tea, this is a great tea gift set. I will link it below. And I'm going to actually take this out, and I'm going to use this as decoration. It has a bit of color in it. So this is how above the fridge looks. Hopefully someone will stop sticking random stuff on top of the fridge since it's organized and it looks nice and clean now. But to me, it looks way better than how it looks before. So if your fridge top needs some organizing, girl, get up and do it. Okay? Do it. Clean it. It's spring cleaning. So now it's going to be underneath the sink. Don't judge. So let's get into it. This is how it looks. Double-sided tape that I bought. Is actually carpet tape. So now I gotta figure out how I want the setup to be. I know this is definitely going in here somewhere. In the middle. I'm contemplating whether I should take these off or not. So this is just me trying to figure out the placement of what I want underneath the sink and what I don't want. And then when it comes on to placement, I put the stuff that we use most on the Lazy Susan, so it's easy and it's accessible and I can get to it really quick because we're constantly taking those stuff out. So that's why I put those there, and then I put stuff that we use like monthly in the gray basket, and I also put some of the stuff in the black basket, but I put it in the back. And then I'm just putting away my Mr. Cleans and stuff. And honestly, I feel like the underneath the sink look absolutely amazing. It looks super good and it looks super organized, and it allows me to actually have my trash bags put away and not all over in this in the under below the sink. I can't talk. So this is how below the sink looks. My trash bag has a home. They're not all scattered below the sink. Everything has a place. My Mr. Clean, my scrubbers, and then my most used stuff are very much accessible, which is the goal for me, to keep it organized and keep it clean. And this gives me so much joy. I don't know about y'all, but stuff like this makes me happy. This is the method we're gonna use to get rid of our trash bags. So let me show you guys. So this is for my extreme neat freaks that want your bags that you get from the grocery store to be put away neatly and nicely. I will say this actually takes a quite a lot of time if you have a lot of bags, but if you have like 20 or 22 bags, you should be good. And this is pretty much the same fold that the US Army use for folding the flag and stuff. So if you know how to do that fold, it's the same fold, but I'm just doing it on plastic bags.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need
So all I'm doing is measuring out my mat tape at the side as far as the length is concerned and how much I'm going to need. Then I'm using my box cutter and cutting it, and then I take up the
top portion of the double-sided tape, and then I flatten out my mat on it. Make sure that there's no air bubbles or anything so that my mat don't move. So if you have children in your house and you want to use rugs but you're scared that they're going to fall, or if you have elderly people in your home and they're at risk of slipping and falling on rugs, I think like this is a great way to prevent that from happening, just by putting down your rug tape. And all rug tape is a special tape that is made for rugs so that they don't move.
This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this type of content. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's see where else I'm actually going to redo in this house.